Let's face it, mosquitoes are the ultimate party crashers. You're outdoors, enjoying the breeze, maybe sipping on a chilled drink, and bam, mosquitoes turn you into their personal buffet. Ever wonder why these little vampires seem to favor some people over others? Science says it's not just random luck. There are actual, quantifiable reasons why you might be a 5-star meal for these winged pests. It has less to do with blood type and more to do with your body's unique quirks. The mosquito selection process, not as random as you think. Imagine mosquitoes as the picky food critics of the insect world. They don't just land on anyone. They carefully sniff you out. Female mosquitoes, yes, only the ladies bite. Talk about gender roles. Need a blood meal to extract proteins for egg production. They use their antennae and palps, which are tiny organs designed to detect carbon dioxide and odor. Think of these as their super-sensitive sniffometers. If you're breathing heavily after a jog or just relaxing with a group, you're basically a walking mosquito beacon. This explains why you often find them buzzing around your ears, as if whispering sweet nothings before the big bite. If you're the friend who always gets bitten, don't worry, you're not cursed. It's just science working against you and your mosquito magnet genes. Mosquito attraction. Carbon dioxide is the dinner bell. If you're breathing, you're a potential target. But some people breathe out more carbon dioxide than others. Pregnant women, for instance, exhale about 21% more CO2 due to their increased metabolic rates. People who exercise or indulge in alcohol also emit higher CO2 levels, practically ringing the dinner bell for mosquitoes. Imagine a mosquito flying by and catching a whiff of your workout aftermath. You might as well have a flashing sign above your head that says, "Eat here." Next time you're at a barbecue, maybe skip the workout and beer. Unless, of course, you enjoy being the group's unofficial mosquito shield. The blood type debate. Are you oh so tasty? For years, people have argued that mosquitoes prefer certain blood types. A 2019 study suggested type O blood might be their favorite dish, but not all scientists agree. Other research points to factors like skin odor and the chemical composition of sweat as bigger influencers. Essentially, mosquitoes aren't hosting a blood type tasting party. They're more focused on how you odorize. For type O individuals feeling targeted, take solace in the fact that mosquitoes aren't exclusively after you. They just happen to find you a little more savory, like a perfectly seasoned steak. The role of your skin microbiota. Ever heard the phrase, "You smell delicious"? Mosquitoes take it literally. Your skin's microbiota, the mix of bacteria living on you, plays a big role in how attractive you are to mosquitoes. Certain bacteria produce odors that mosquitoes find irresistible. Think of it as wearing a cologne called Bite Me. Studies have shown that people with diverse skin bacteria are less attractive to mosquitoes compared to those with less variety. So, the next time someone comments on your natural musk, just remember, mosquitoes might be taking notes too. Maybe it's time to start gifting deodorant as a thoughtful mosquito repellent tool, or at least avoid smelling like their favorite buffet item. Mosquito fashion police. Wear black, get bitten. Here's a hot tip for fashionistas. Mosquitoes are drawn to certain colors. Red, orange, and black are their favorites. These colors absorb light and create strong visual contrasts, making you more noticeable to mosquitoes. If you're rocking a little black dress or bright orange athleisure wear, you're basically putting up a neon sign that says, "Open for business." Stick to light, muted tones like beige or pastel. You'll blend in with the surroundings and lower your odds of becoming a target. Fashion might be pain, but in this case, it's also itchiness. Blame it on your genes. The mosquito twin test. Think it's unfair that mosquitoes love you more than your best friend? Science agrees, and it's probably your DNA's fault. A study on identical and fraternal twins found that genetics account for about 67% of mosquito preference. Identical twins, who share the same genetic code, were equally attractive to mosquitoes. Fraternal twins, not so much. The researchers concluded that genes influence your natural body odor, which plays a significant role in mosquito attraction. So, next time you're itching away while your sibling enjoys a bite-free evening, remember, blame your parents for the genetic lottery you lost. Pregnant? Congratulations. Also, condolences. Pregnant women emit more carbon dioxide and have slightly warmer skin temperatures due to increased blood flow. This makes them prime targets for mosquitoes. A study in The Lancet found that pregnant women are twice as likely to attract malaria-carrying mosquitoes compared to non-pregnant individuals. So, if you're expecting, you're basically running a mosquito happy hour. Maybe add mosquito net to your baby registry or invest in some heavy-duty repellent. Because nothing says glowing mom-to-be like dodging bites while glowing with DEET. Exercise and alcohol. The why me factors. Breaking a sweat or enjoying a cold drink makes you irresistible to mosquitoes. Exercise increases lactic acid on your skin, which mosquitoes find as enticing as humans find chocolate cake. Studies show that higher body temperatures and saltier sweat from exercising make you stand out even more. Alcohol, meanwhile, changes your body chemistry, making you smell better to mosquitoes, at least. It's like sending an RSVP to their dinner invitation. So next time you're considering a post-run beer, just remember, you're signing up for an all-you-can-eat mosquito buffet. Why mosquitoes are more than a buzzkill. Getting bitten isn't just itchy, it's dangerous. Mosquitoes are vectors for diseases like dengue, Zika, and malaria, responsible for over 700,000 deaths annually. That's right, mosquitoes are literally the deadliest animals on Earth. Lions, sharks, and bears. Amateurs compared to these pint-sized killers. The World Health Organization reports that vector-borne diseases account for 17% of all infectious diseases globally. So while mosquitoes might be tiny, their impact on human health is anything but. Winning the mosquito battle. Practical tips. You can't change your genes or stop breathing to avoid mosquito bites, but you can outsmart them with a few practical tips. Dress smartly by wearing long sleeves and pants treated with 0.5% permethrin, a safe and effective insecticide that kills or repels mosquitoes on contact, reducing bite risk by over 90%. Choose effective repellents like DEET, oil of lemon eucalyptus, or picaridin, all scientifically proven to provide strong protection. DEET, for instance, can repel mosquitoes for up to 10 hours. Always reapply as directed, especially if you're sweating or spending extended time outdoors, as mosquitoes are relentless and can detect humans from up to 150 feet away. Mosquito-proof your space by installing tight-fitting window and door screens, using air conditioning to lower indoor humidity levels, and eliminating standing water from bird baths, buckets, or gutters. Standing water is where mosquitoes lay their eggs, with some species capable of producing over 100 eggs in just 1 teaspoon of stagnant water, so eliminating it can significantly reduce local mosquito populations. Common sense meets science. While some of us will always be mosquito magnets, a little preparation goes a long way in keeping bites at bay. Studies suggest mosquitoes are attracted to people with higher body temperatures, carbon dioxide output, and certain body odors linked to genetics and diet. Beer consumption, for example, has been found to increase mosquito attraction. Science is digging deeper to understand why some people are more attractive to mosquitoes than others, with ongoing research pointing to lactic acid, ammonia, and other compounds in sweat as key factors. Until a mosquito repellent gene therapy is developed, simple measures can make you less appealing to these tiny terrors. Avoid wearing dark clothing, which mosquitoes are drawn to, and consider using fans outdoors to disrupt their flight patterns. And if you're tempted to complain about these pests, just remember, mosquitoes aren't picky. They're responsible for nearly 1 million deaths annually through diseases like malaria and dengue. They're not just annoying, they're dangerous. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about why mosquitoes love you and probably hate you at the same time, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay itch-free, and we'll see you in the next video.